If you've ever searched how to get in shape online, you probably know what happens. One website says one thing, another fitness expert says the opposite. And somehow you end up with 20 tabs open and no actual plan. Today I'm showing you how Claude AI can help you build a workout plan and meal prep system around your goals, your schedule, and your lifestyle. Let's start with workouts. Open Claude and try something like this. Build me a 4-week beginner workout plan. I want to go to the gym 3 times a week. My goal is to lose weight and build some muscle. I have no injuries, but I'm not in great shape right now. Claude can create a structured plan with workout days, exercises, sets, reps, and ways to progress over time. But here's where AI becomes different from just downloading a random fitness plan. You can change anything. Tell Claude, I don't like running. Give me other cardio options. Or, I only have 45 minutes. Or, I only work out from home and have limited equipment. Instead of starting over, Claude adjusts the plan around you. Now let's talk about the part where most fitness goals fall apart. Food. You can ask Claude, create a simple weekly meal prep plan. My goal is fat loss. I want easy meals I can prepare ahead of time. Claude can help organize meal ideas, shopping lists, cooking steps, and ways to make the plan easier to follow. And here's where most people don't realize how powerful this gets. Keep everything in the same conversation. Claude already knows your workout goals, so now you can ask, make my meals and workouts work together as one plan. Claude can help organize your schedule so your training and nutrition actually support the same goal. The biggest advantage is flexibility. Most apps make you fit into their system. With Claude, you keep adjusting the conversation until the system fits you. Different schedule? Change it. Different goal? Update it. Don't like a certain food or exercise? Replace it. AI isn't replacing the effort. You still have to show up and do the work. But it can remove one of the biggest excuses people have. I don't know where to start. Spend 20 minutes building a plan with Claude, and you might be surprised what you walk away with. Subscribe to Claude AI Unlock for more everyday ways people can actually use Claude. Hit the like button if this helped. I'm George. Claude helps create the content. I review it, refine it, and share the best ways people can use AI.